Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to share WhatsApp screen during the phone call. No matter which types of mobile device you are using, how to share one mobile screen to another one and another mobile screen to another one with the help of this video tips and tricks. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration as a live scenario. I call from this number to this number and show it to you how exactly mobile screen is a share. So here is my two device and I just simply call from this number. Look at this, the video call, and I just simply receive the video call. Look at this here is I am, and now I just wanted to share this mobile screen to here. So you just simply press here three dots and look at this here, share screen or share message, send a message. So we go with here share screen, continue, start now, and boom, I just simply go back and look at this here is my screen. If I open here something like so, here is also open the same page, different application. So different application is open here. So you can show it to them or share your data, your information. Sometimes you are not able to install some of the applications, so someone can give it to you instruction. You can make as a presentation, project related task or other related information using these tips and tricks. No matter your phone is Android or your phone is iPhone, this process apply all types of devices. So this is the simple tips and tricks to share WhatsApp screen one device to another device and fix the problem live scenario. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.